Hey, welcome. Ever wanted to start programming or somehow lost the motivation on programming like myself? So I did over a year nothing. Today I had a great idea. Um, my son was drawing something just for fun. So I said to him, hey, should I bring it to life? And he was like, what? What do you mean? And I explained to him, hey, if you draw me some pictures, I can make a game of that and you can play it on my computer. And he was like, what do you mean? How should this look like? I explained to him very simply, just draw whatever you want, single pictures, so one tree, one train, one car, whatever. So he started drawing a train because that's what he is liking at the moment the most. And yeah, you see it already on screen. And this train was developed. He was drawing it. I didn't interrupt him. I just let him draw whatever he wanted. And at the end, I just said, now color it. And next I need at least some rails because the train must run on something. So he drew rails. And we started bringing these pictures down. I made a scan of these two pictures and put it on screen. And he was like, wow, that's what I draw. And I said, yeah, give me some time and I can bring it to move. So I have a little experience in programming, as you can see on my channel. So I did it on the fly while he was watching. And he was so excited that the whole day he was only drawing. And wanted to always go back on the computer to bring the trees in, bring the other stuff in, like we have now a switch here, and he also made the back thing on the train. So very funny. He was super excited. He was super engaged. And at the end, this train, only on the screen, was already something making him so happy that it's getting me back motivated like hell. So then I showed him, hey, you can see it's moving now. And he's seeing his own smoke. He drew this too. And then I said, but it's boring without sound. And you can already hear it. I said to him, hey, go in and make a record of your voice. How sound a train? And he made just a few examples and I put it into the game. And then he was hearing his own sound while moving his train. So it's only moving left and right. It's not much at the moment, but he was super excited. And I was super motivated. And he's, as said, he was drawing the whole day. And trying to make more stuff for that. And I still need to bring it in. But what's the good thing? First, you only need to concentrate on programming. It must be not perfect. It's a kid, so he's already happy just seeing this moving, his own drawing. You can do it quick and dirty to just get it running. You don't need to take care of art because your childs are doing it. So I think for everyone out there, it's a great idea just starting. You can do simple things, just watching up some videos or whatever, and bringing the pictures, the drawings of your child to life. Or if you're like me, unmotivated, have had a break for a long time, it's super nice to get back because it's motivating like hell. So I'm still puzzled. I really loved doing this today and seeing his own excitement. I really encourage everyone there, if you have a break or if you want to start, do it this way. Because it doesn't need to be perfect. You can just do something very fast, very quick and dirty. Just get it running. It's a child. And you do it for the child, not for audience, not for a big launch bringing you money, just for the excitement of your kids. So no need to be perfect. He's even not drawing perfect. But even I recognized he is now paying a lot more attention also to the drawing. I never experienced this before. He I didn't remember. I don't remember. He drew something and he was not happy with the result. So he threw it away and did another one. I never experienced this. very funny. So even this little experiment already brought so much attention for him to his own drawing that he tried to make it perfect as he can. He's 5-year-old, so it will always be not super perfect, but that's not the big thing here. It's something motivating him and me. That's perfect, and we have something we can do together. So go for it. Try it out. You will see it make everyone happy. Next thing is probably I will just, for everyone who is beginning, bringing up a few videos, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, how the pipeline is looking like. So from the picture drawn by your child's, bringing it to PC, doing a little bit work here and there because you need to take care. Don't overdo it. The artist is the child. He will not be happy if you just make a fancy whatever out of it. It should be still his drawing. And the sounds and perhaps a few easy things like bringing this to motion. And then everyone can do this. I do it with Godot, but it doesn't matter. You can use every game engine. And then your child can play their own drawings, making a whole world by them own. That's amazing, believe me. And you will see it there. Try it out. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.